EnGenius EnStation6-KIT Review. Real long-range results from Wi-Fi 6 outdoor bridge field tests.
Ever stared at a distant building knowing your network simply cannot reach it? That frustration runs deep. Last month, a property manager told me he'd tried 3 different solutions before finally finding something that actually worked. Connectivity gaps steal time. They drain energy. If you felt stuck trying to bridge locations reliably, you're definitely not alone here. What's been your biggest challenge?
The real cost hits harder than expected. Missed deadlines pile up when remote sites lose connection mid-transfer. Quiet burnout creeps in after troubleshooting flaky links for the 100th time. One installer described the sinking feeling watching surveillance feeds freeze during critical moments. Hours vanish chasing unstable signals. But here's the thing, there's a clear path toward reliable coverage and genuine peace of mind. Don't just pick any outdoor wireless bridge. Make sure it has Wi-Fi 6 technology with high-gain directional antennas so you avoid frustrating signal drops and constant reconnection headaches. The EnGenius EnStation6-KIT delivers exactly this combination, creating rock-solid point-to-point links spanning up to 6 miles. This changes everything. The integrated 19 dBi antenna focuses signal precisely where needed, cutting through interference that cripples lesser equipment. You get true 1,200 megabits per second throughput potential across the 5 GHz band, meaning security cameras stream smoothly and file transfers complete without interruption. Consider this scenario. A facilities coordinator nearly missed a critical compliance deadline when her old bridge failed during a massive data upload. After switching to the EnStation6-KIT, that transfer completed flawlessly, ahead of schedule. Real reliability matters. The IP55 weatherproof housing handles rain, dust, and temperature extremes without complaint. Setup takes hours, not days. One cable delivers both power and data. That simplicity transforms complex installations into straightforward victories. Stick around, there's a practical alignment insight coming that saves serious headaches.
The benefits cascade once everything clicks into place. Workflow interruptions disappear when your bridge maintains consistent connectivity across buildings. Focus sharpens because troubleshooting sessions become rare memories rather than daily rituals. Efficiency climbs naturally. A network infrastructure consultant noted deployments now take half the time compared to previous generation equipment. One technology reviewer measured over 400 megabits per second real-world throughput at 2-mile distances, calling performance exceptional for this category. Industry analysts consistently rank the EnStation6 among top-tier solutions for prosumer and SMB applications. A WISP operator shared something telling. We replaced aging bridges on 2 tower links and immediately gained 150 megabits per second additional throughput on each. Those aren't theoretical numbers. They represent actual improvements. Perhaps you're wondering about installation complexity. Fair concern. The kit includes 2 pre-matched units, PoE injectors, and mounting hardware. Everything arrives ready. Signal strength LEDs guide alignment without requiring laptops on rooftops. Straightforward beats complicated. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. The combination of Wi-Fi 6 efficiency, 26 dBm transmit power, and weatherproof durability creates something genuinely dependable. What connectivity challenge would reliable 6-mile range solve for your situation?
Reliable connectivity transforms how work actually gets done. Join the many installers, IT professionals, and property owners already experiencing smoother operations with the EnGenius EnStation6-KIT. Results may vary based on environment and installation factors, but the foundation here is genuinely solid. This works. The technology delivers, the build quality proves itself through seasons and storms. If bridging distant buildings or extending networks matters for your projects, this kit deserves serious consideration. Click the link below and experience the difference for yourself today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.